Happy bahay, happy buhay. Mag-asawang patnubay, sa mag-asaway gabay.
Tayo mga magulang, gagawin natin lahat ng ating makakaya just so we can protect our children. Etong COVID-19, this has not just robbed them of their education, health, and safety, but it has also robbed them of their childhood. Ang mga kabataan ngayon hindi na nakakalabas ng bahay para makipaglaro. Hindi na rin sila nakakapag-socialize or interact sa kanilang mga classmates at kaibigan. Pero ang nakakalungkot po doon, ang daming kabataan ngayon ang nagsasuffer sa mental anxiety, stress, fear, worry, at a very young age. Dala-dala nila ito sa puso nila.
Alam mo, Claire Bo, pansinin ninyo since mas marami yung time na nagsasama-samang isang pamilya sa loob ng tahanan, mas ramdam nila yung impact ng pandemic.
Totoo.
Kasi nawi-witness nila yung mga paghihirap ng mga magulang, di ba? Isa pa, kitang-kita nila kung sino yung mga nagkakasakit sa bahay. Tapos, non-stop pa yung pagdagdag ng mga dami ng mga cases at yung mga iba't ibang klase ng variants na lumalabas. Ramdam po at kita ng bawat miyembro ng pamilya ang takot at pangamba.
And we don't want our family to be robbed of peace.
That's true.
Dahil sa gitna po ng nangyayari sa paligid natin, I believe that our family should remain to be a place of healing, di ba? A place where our children could find peace and hope. And as parents, we have this moral responsibility to promote peace in our home. We have this responsibility to lay a solid foundation sa buhay ng ating mga anak, that Christ alone is their peace. Christ alone is their source of peace.
Amen. Panghawakan po natin ang sinasabi ng Biblia sa John 16:33. I have said these things to you, that in me you may have peace. In this world, we will have trials and tribulation, but take heart, for I have overcome the world.
Christ's sacrificial death on the cross brought us the gift of peace. Yan lamang po yung paulit-ulit na tinuturo namin sa aming mga anak para hindi sila panghinaan ng loob, para hindi sila mawala ng pag-asa. And we teach them this truth by having communion together as a family.
And as we partake the communion, we are proclaiming Jesus' death at the cross that reversed the curse laid to mankind. We teach our children the truth that COVID-19 is a curse, that Jesus already paid it on the cross 2,000 years ago.
Amen. We also teach our kids that our health, our safety are so important to Jesus that He paid a terrible price for it. With His own body and blood, binayaran niya, anak, ang ating kagalingan. And that is what communion is all about. Whenever we hold the bread and the juice in our hands, we are remembering everything that Jesus has already accomplished for us on the cross. We are receiving and partaking every blessing and provision that Jesus already purchased for us.
Alam po ninyo, every time our children would ask, Dad, babalik pa ba ang face-to-face class namin? Mayayakap at makakasama pa ba namin sila lolo at lola? Or makakapasyal pa ba uli kami sa mall? Matatapos pa kaya ang COVID-19? We just simply point them and tell them to look at the cross and its finished work.
Maaari po ba namin kayong anyayahan to get some bread and juice, and together as a family, we could all partake of the Lord's Supper? Panginoon, this bread represents your body, beaten and bruised for us. Sa pamamagitan ng iyong latay sa katawan, kami ay iyong pinagaling na. And as we partake of this bread, we are declaring that by your grace, our family is protected, safe, healthy, and whole. Partake of the bread.
Salamat, Panginoong Jesus, sa dugo mong dumanak sa krus ng Kalbaryo sa aming kapatawaran. Let's all partake of the juice. Sa gitna ng pandemya, si Jesus lamang ang ating kapayapaan. Lagi po nating tandaan na ang mag-asawang sabay manalangin.
Na pagtatagumpayan lahat ng suliranin.
Ako po si Bong Pineda.
At ako naman po si Claire, kasama si Bo para sa Happy Bahay.
Happy Buhay!
Happy Bahay, Happy Buhay! Mag-asawang patnubay, sa mag-asaway gabay!